Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we'll see the dashboard that I have created with the help of AIV. As you have seen in my last videos, from this website Kaggle, we will download the dataset that we will use in AIV. So from here, first of all, we will download the dataset. So I recently viewed the dataset Apple sales. So this dataset we will work on it, and I'll show the dashboard that I've created on this dataset. So as I have shown in the previous video, you can download it from here by creating your Kaggle account, and you can easily download it here. I have already downloaded, so we'll directly jump to the AIV. So here you can see the dashboard that I've created on the Apple sales on this. As you can see, it includes different visuals and KPI AI that consists the Apple sales data. As you can see on the left side, it is a first of all we will go to the edit mode. So now we are in the edit mode of AIV. So okay guys, so first of all we'll start with the left side, that is the custom image plus text included that show the channel name as well, that is designed by Tiki. And after this, just right hand side, it is the center page image that shows Apple sales, and it is highlighted, and on the background it shows the Apple image is with upholding text that highlights Apple sales. And after that you can see the different KPIs that consist the different Apple product sales, that is the iPhone sales, iPad sales, Mac sales, variable sales, and service revenues. This all are the revenue terms that Apple have created in 2024 across the global. So if we move aside and then get to the specific items of the Apple, first of all we'll start with the variable sales across the global. Variable sales like earbuds, Apple earphones, etc. that consist of this pie chart. This is the variable pie chart that consists the variable sales across the global. See here which one is the smaller, that consists very small, and which one is the bigger, that consists the higher revenue of Apple variable products. Then on the right hand side, it is the Apple iPad sales that consists on the basis of the percentage that North America has 18% of the Apple iPad sales. Great China have 22%. That is the most highest revenue that Apple made from China across the global. And if you click on the Greater China, then it will show the cities that Apple have created the highest revenue in China of Shenzhen, Chongqing, Shanghai, Hong Kong 22%, Beijing 19%. And on the right hand side, it will also show the max sales of Greater China, of China only, that of Hong Kong. That there are the same names that have created a huge revenue for Apple. And now we will see the overall max sales as per the state of different regions. Revenue who Apple have made on that region, on the particular region. So Australia, Shenzhen, Canada, they have all are included. If you cannot see the number, then you can and just put the cursor on that value. It will show or highlight the number as well, like this and all. So after the max sales, we'll proceed to the Apple iPhone sale. That is the most revenue product of Apple that Apple have made. iPhone, on iPhone, as you can see in the bar chart, the most revenues came from Hong Kong, as I've told earlier. Also, China is the major business for Apple. India is also there, but it's slightly less than other regions also. The first position controls of Hong Kong, that is the part of China. And next you will see the Apple sales across the global region. And it covers all the Apple products, variables, iPhone, i iPad, Mac, everything. Apple services also. So this is the cone visual that represent, and all the country is that consists of Apple sales basis on their percentage. That first is the Hong Kong, the second is South Africa, then California, UK, Brazil, Canada, France. Every country is there from which Apple have get get its revenue of Apple revenues. On the right hand side here, this is the last visual, that the Apple services revenue. How many revenue is Apple getting from services by providing their services? The rest of the Asia is consisted of 18%, North America is 18%, Europe is 20%, and China is because for Apple it is the major market. China is the major market of apples. And the rest of the world that consists of other countries as well. And so you can see is the Apple sales dashboard that I have created with AIV that helps me to categorize and filterize all the data set that so easily, and by clicking on any of the visual product I can see its depth there, and from that region how much it contains. And at the center I have also included an image of Apple to make it more attractive and readable, that this dashboard is consists of Apple. So that's all for today's video. So if you like the video, please drop a comment as well, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. We'll soon meet in the next video.